Look, Hussein is getting the corn. Alright, let's eat this for breakfast today. Picnic. Yeah. Alright, kain tayo mga guys. Kasama ko si Hussein ngayon sa pagbablog. Ano na? Medyo matured na talaga siya. Matured na sila. Ayan. So harvestin natin yan bukas. Harvestin natin sila bukas mga guys. Ang almusal natin. Alright.
The next day.
So yan, what's up mga guys? Good morning. It's Sunday morning dito sa Nigeria. So mag-harvest kami ng mais. At magsaing ng mais. Pang-almusal. Maglalaga tayo ng mais. Prepare na natin ang ating mga kahoy. Mamaya, mag-harvest tayo ng mais dyan, no? Yung mais na yan, yung ating harvestin na natin. Busin na natin yan.
A few moments later.
So yung mga guys, sa araw na to ay mag-harvest ng mais at magsaing tayo ng mais ngayon mga guys. Right? So ito, magaling na natin yung mga mais na to dahil medyo ano na rin siya, matured na. So maglaga tayo ng mais ngayong araw na to. Mag-harvest and cook tayo. So ito na, tanggalin na natin yung mga mais. Sa Nigeria. Yan. Lalaki mga guys, oh. Malalaki. Diba? Ang laman, maraming laman sa loob. Yan, ito pa. Mag-harvest na tayo. Natin mga guys. Ayan o. Ang dami diba? So ito na guys yung ating mga nakuhang mais. Alright, salamat mais. At makapag luto kami ng mais. Ay, may natira pa doon isa oh. Mamaya kuhanin natin yun. So magluto tayo ng mais ngayon, umaga na to. Ayan. Dito natin iluluto yung ating mga mais. Hussein, come, let's cook. Let's cook. Let's cook corn, come. So yan mga guys, dito na natin ilapag. Yan. Yan ang mga mais natin. So yan na yung ating na-harvest na mais. Yan mga guys. Tapos dito tayo magluluto. Ayan. Let's go. Hussein, come. Let's go and pick this corn here. The last corn. That one. It's the last one. I want you to pick this one. This corn. That one.
Yes, no, two.
No, only one.
No, two.
No?
No.
Only one.
Okay, I see one there, maybe.
It's more than enough. That one, okay? So, Hussein is getting the corn. Alright, let's eat this for breakfast today. Alright?
This one, maybe.
Let's go.
Let's see. That one.
No, I will make this one matured to have the seeds. Alright, let's remove the skin. Okay, let's remove one by one, slowly. Okay. How many we took? Count. How many? 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, so it's 10. So we are 4. How many of us?
5.
We are 5.
5.
Okay, so we have 2 pieces each one. So we can eat 2 pieces each one. Alright? So we'll remove the skin of the corn. Oh, you put here.
Where?
Okay, put here. We put here the clean one. Alright, so yan mga guys. Tanggal na kami ng mais.
You're gonna put mais?
Yes. Yan. Balat ang ating mga mais. Sana maraming laman. Hussein. You know laman?
What?
The inside. The inside of the corn should have more fruit inside.
I remove the head.
Yes. This one not too much. Not too much
Looks
inside.
like teeth.
Yeah, the pits. Right mga guys, so ito medyo konti ang laman ng ating corn. Yan. One down. Okay, another one. Another one is also same as the first one. How we can eat this? It's not too much, but maybe the other one, the other side.
That is with
What
me.
about your Hussein? You have many?
See?
Seems you have many. Full inside.
What is this?
This the insects are eating. Yeah.
Wanna keep it?
Yes, keep it. You're afraid? See guys, ang dami nitong laman, oh. This already more matured. So the insects are eating. Yan, so we just clean this up.
This is good.
Yan, that one's good. Alright. This one not too much. It's very young. Don't have inside. I am not lucky. I am not lucky today. Only Hussein. It's better than nothing, okay? Same. Alright, this maganda. This maganda, Hussein. And this one also maganda. Yellow.
It's good?
It's good. It's yellow.
1 hour later.
Magano na tayo ng apoy para sa ating gagawing pagluluto ng mais with Hussein. Yan. Magsisiganan tayo ng apoy. Tayo magluto ng mais. Yan. Yan na, nag-aapoy na, nag-aapoy.
Plus 1 million.
1 million watt. Always game.
Do not game. Subscribe us.
You will not get knowledge in the game. You should get knowledge from the book. Always games, you will not get knowledge.
What's knowledge?
Knowledge is power. Knowledge means learning. Yan. So, mamaya na ako mag-garden. So, ugasan na natin ito mga guys. Para makakain na tayo. At gutom na. Gutom na yung alaga natin. Ayan, so yung iba, konti ang laman. Yung iba naman may laman. So ayos lang yan. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Minsan may laman, minsan wala. Pero hugasan muna natin. Doon. So yun na. Yun na mga guys. Magluto tayo dito ng mais. Ayan. Harvest and cook. How you miss Syria? What you miss Syria?
I make first lunch.
Friends?
With my gun. When I'm making.
Oh, this too much. I need to remove this one. GTA 5. Yeah, it's very good movie.
It's not movie, it's game.
Nice game. I thought it's a movie. Alright.
2 hours later.
So yun na mga guys, I think luto na itong mais natin. At maglagay na tayo ng barbecue. Barbecue. Yung hotdog barbecue. Yung ating patatas. Barbecue din to eh. Ayan, nag-grill din tayo ng patatas. Saka may mais pa. Ayan.
No, I bring tissue.
Don't have tissue. Too much hot.
I bring tissue, look.
Huh? No, this one. Not here. Ah! Too much hot! Why like this?
There's Nathan. Hold this one little.
Hold
I'm
this
going
one.
to bring something.
Bring something. Yes, yeah. Okay, bring something. Okay, and the corn also is here now. Let's get the hot dog. The corn. And the sweet potato. Grill. Yan, kakain na kami ni Hussein. Let's eat. Picnic. Yeah. Alright, kain tayo mga guys. Kasama ko si Hussein ngayon sa pagbablog. So how's the taste of the hot dog?
Nice.
It's nice,
Nice.
but it's burnt. Sometimes it's burned. Some are burned. Nice. At saka corn. Sweet pa sa amin ni Hussein. Yummy ang corn ah. So yan, ito yung patatas na inihaw ko. Sarap yung patatas nila dito ba, parang ano, kamote. Hussein, so how's the taste of the hot dog? It's good? Nice?
That's good.
Sarap ng ano, ng patatas din. You want to drink water? Okay. Or your mom not yet eating? She's still farming? Later I will farm.
I will find now because maybe later we will go somewhere.
Ah, okay.
It's a family day.
Yes. Let me finish this vlog. After this vlog, I will farm also. Yan siya mga guys. So, puting mais pala. O, diba? So, nahaluan ko pala yan dyan ng, ng malagkit na mais.